David was a young but a very angry boy. He lost his anger at very small things. Whenever David was angry, he said very bad things to everybody. He used foul language and did not think before he spoke. His parents, teachers, and friends kept asking him to try to control his anger, but this made him angrier. He would just stomp off from the discussion saying, "Oh, stop nagging me. You are making me angry now." One day, Dad got a wooden plank, some nails, and a hammer for David. "David, I have got something for you. Come here," said David's father. David came running to his father as he, like all other kids, loved surprises. But when he saw the things, he was surprised. "What's this for, Dad?" asked David. "Well, David, this will help you to control your anger," replied Dad. The moment he heard the mention of his anger, he started losing it again. Dad saw that David had started losing his anger, so he smiled and said, "Every time you lose your anger, David, strike a nail in the wooden plank." By the time Dad finished what he wanted to say, David had already lost his anger. He stormed off with the wooden plank and started striking a nail in it. Now, whenever David felt angry, whenever he came across something he didn't like or someone who didn't listen or act according to him, he struck a nail on the plank. This went on and on and on. Soon the plank was full of nails because David was angry with every situation and person around for one reason or the other. Then one day, Dad went to David and, taking the plank in his hands, started taking out the nails one by one. David, curious, kept looking at what his dad did. Once all the nails were out, Dad said, "Look at these holes, David. Each time you struck a nail in the plank represents each time you said something bad to somebody in anger. Each bad word left a hole in somebody's heart. These holes cannot be repaired, and neither can the ones that you created, David. This is the reason why we should not get angry and say things that we are not supposed to say." "Oh my God! I never realized that I was hurting someone so bad, Dad. From now on, I promise that I will try to control my anger so that I do not hurt anybody," said David. "But Dad, what are the ways in which I can control my anger?" asked David. Dad answered, "Well, first of all, every time you lose your anger, count till 20 slowly before reacting. If this does not help, then start thinking happy thoughts. Alternatively, you can try to move away from the thought that made you angry. Try these small things and I am sure that you will be able to control your anger." David was surprised that controlling his anger could be so easy. He said, "I will definitely try these techniques, Dad," and hugged his dad. Everybody was surprised to see the change in David. He was more patient and had started treating everybody nicely. He had stopped using foul language and was polite to everyone. All this happened because he had learned to control his anger and was thus consequently happier.